Hey there, Profit Pilot here. Today we're going to take a look at how you can close, or in other words, delete your Trading 212 account. So if you wish to close your Trading 212 account for whatever reason, there are some important steps you should take beforehand. The first one being that you should make sure you've closed all your currently open positions, whether this means selling all your stocks on your investing account, moving them to another broker, or closing all your open CFD positions. After you've done this, I'd also advise you to withdraw any and all remaining funds you have left on your account. Now that you've done both these steps, you'll want to either head to your account menu by tapping the three horizontal lines icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen and navigating to the Contact Us menu and filling out a contact form regarding your wish to close your account. Alternatively, you could also write Trading212 an email at info@trading212.com stating your request to deactivate and close your account. Just as a heads up, to simplify this process, send the email with the email address you also used to set up your Trading212 account with. Whichever way you choose to notify Trading212, your account should be closed within a few days. That concludes the video. I hope it was helpful. Consider liking and subscribing as it helps the channel out. If there's any other tutorials you'd like to see, comment them down below. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.